Hello everybody, my name is Leon Kish. As you can see, we have snow all around. I am making a calendar for the next year. I need a snowy picture with some animal, with bird or squirrel or every kind of animal would be good. I'm making a calendar like for every month I have the best picture that I've took in that month. As you are going from one month to the other, you can see the season is changing slowly. The grass is greener, then it's turning brown, the leaves are brown, and now everything is white. It should be like that in the calendar. As you are going from one to the other month, you can see the change. The other thing I like about snow, that I can see the tracks. I was seeing a fox here for a few times, and that's why I came here today, because the snow has fallen and I hope I'm gonna see some fox tracks today. Look what I found! Squirrel tracks. When it's cold like this, I'm storing my batteries, my spare batteries, always in the inner pocket of my jacket. There is a little bit warmer and the batteries last longer, because in cold like this the batteries die very quickly. Sometimes they last only a few hours and they die just because of the cold. And if your batteries die, you just put those batteries in the inner pockets of your jacket, and they're gonna have half battery life after an hour or so. If you don't see any animal in snow, you can see lots of things, like where did they go, what did they do, how they are hunting. Check these deer tracks. There were two deers and they ate some grass here. So these are the tracks, and they ate some grass. They eat something here. Snow can show us the animal's behavior, lots of other things, and that's very good, because when there is no snow you can't see that. When there are no animals around, you can't see nothing then. So for this month is the winter theme. and I'm hearing some goldcrests are singing all around, but I don't see them. They are the smallest bird in Europe. How can I make a picture of so small bird which is flying all around and I can see? I have an app in my phone. It's called the Marilyn, and I searched for that bird. I know that it's called goldcrest. I just type it in. There it is, this little bird. I go to sound. See, there are two sounds of this little bird. I just call them. I don't know what this called means to those little birds, but they come. Maybe it's territorial. Maybe it's, hey, look here. Here is some food. I try not to call them often or long. Just that they come and I can take some pictures, and that's all. So I'm gonna try, and we're gonna see how it goes. So I'm gonna wait until some of these birds fly on these branches here, and I'll try to make some beautiful shot, winter shot. And that's what I need for my calendar for December. And here they are. I see one. My phone just died. My phone is on 60%, but it dies in such weather like this. I need to put it in my pocket, and then after 50 minutes, half hour, I don't know, it's gonna rise up from the dead. It should be nicer that I have direct light. I could make a better photo. Direct light makes that you can make sharper images, but yeah, it's not so bad. I hear that little bird again, but I don't see it. Let's see if the phone's ready to work with me. Yay! This bird is a real challenge to shoot because it's very quick and so small that I have trouble to find it. When I'm looking in this viewfinder, it's very hard to find that bird. I was ready to go home, but I saw the clouds are breaking on the other side, and now I'm on the other mountain and the weather is very nice, And look who's there. It's a raven. So here we can see clearly a fox paw. How do we identify a fox paw and know 100% that it's not a dog footprint or something? You take a little branch or a grass in this case, and if you can put a little grass here between the rear fingers and the front fingers, then you can know that it's a fox paw, because at dog's footprint, these front fingers are overlapping the rear fingers, and this footprint right here is dog's. The back fingers are overlapping the front. I hope this fox was going home, because here is getting steeper and now is slippery, so it's not so good idea to follow these tracks, but I have to. I hope he was going home. This is what I was hoping for to see. A mixture of old and new tracks. Hopefully these tracks are leading to the same place. We have new tracks, a little bit older tracks, That's where I live. Albstadt. Again, some squirrel tracks. But I haven't seen a squirrel today. What we can see here is the fox's hunting ground. You can see all over the place some little digged up holes, and yeah, you can see that the fox was hunting mice here. I would like to photograph a fox jumping with his nose into the snow, catching the mice. I saw photos like that and they can look pretty nicely. I think I was too optimistic about the fox. I was tracking those tracks and it led to nowhere. I found that hunting ground, which is very good. I could come out next time and try to take a shot how the fox is hunting. It would be very nice to do. I didn't made nothing beautiful as I was hoping for this calendar, but I'm gonna look at that little birdie picture, which was the golden crest, and I think that's all for today, because it's very misty, it's getting dark, I'm getting tired and hungry. And that was all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you want to see some new videos like this, and see you in the next one. Bye!